you know, this man of masses, of course, you always get it. ना खरे उतरे हैं आप इसके ऊपर हर बार. Recently, you promised something to your fans that after watching the trailer, they'll be really proud of you. अब इस वक्त कैसा लग रहा है? What do you have to say?
भाई लोग खड़े मत हो ना, बैठ के शूट करना शूट करो, खड़े मत हो.
बहुत nervous हूँ मैं because after RRR, this is my next film post RRR. और वैसे भी RRR was with my co-actor also, Mr. Ram Charan. This is my solo release after 6 years, so there is a lot of nervousness which is building, but very happy to launch the trailer of Devara in the city of Mumbai, because the experience we've had when we were promoting for RRR was just surreal. I mean, the acceptance of North has just shocked us all, and I hope it repeats with Devara.
Sure, it's going to happen this time again. Just one last thing, Tarak bhai, you know, you have to talk to us about, you know, we know that your contemporaries, they've broken a lot of records. You know, every now and then we say sales record itna bana, itne tickets bike, but here nobody has seen the trailer. Nobody has seen it, but in North America, you are already breaking records. 1 million se exactly for the premiere. And again, I have to reiterate that nobody has seen the trailer, and you are already, you know, the tickets are just going off the shelf. And how? What do you have to say? How do you do it?
There's nothing we've done anything about it, but I think it's God's blessings and the love which has always been showered by the fans and the audience. So I'm always intended.
You are fabulous. Thank you so much for
so
this.
much.
And of course, looking forward to the trailer. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, NTR Junior ek baar zordar taaliyan. Of course, I was talking about these units. We'll definitely take a look at the trailer. But before that,
like different to one another, and going down there was a very exciting experience. It was very kind of Tarek, of NTRG, and for Shivaji to want me in the movie, because movies made in the South recently have been mind-blowing, and to get a chance to act in a film like this and to do that, for me, you're right, I felt like a newcomer. I'm really excited because I've spoken the language, it's a new language to me, and I love the movie and I love what I've done in it also. So I understand.
thank you so much for sharing that. We'll definitely take a look at Para Glimpse in some time. But before that, thank you so much, sir. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen.
I have to say that firstly, thank you all members of the media and everyone here. Thank you for being here. This is an exceptional moment for us at Dharma Productions and AA Films. Just presenting Devara and seeing Tarak's and Shiva's vision, literally, and you haven't seen anything as yet. You have to see what's going to unfold right now. Tarak, I've known, of course, he was very gracious, I remember, where he actually presented Brahmastra to everyone in Hyderabad. You know, it was a big moment for us. Such a massive mega star going out of his way to speak of another film, and he really impacted the box office of Brahmastra even in the South, and for that we are all eternally grateful. Thank you. And obviously his next was one of the most awaited films of Indian cinema, and we were only too happy, proud and privileged to present in Hindi Devara, the madness, magic, magnitude and magnificence of Devara. Of course, there are so many friends attached to this journey, not just Tarak, who's been a dear friend, and I told him that, you know, this is not the end of this relationship, this is the beginning of a new one, and he knows what I'm talking about. Seth, my darling Seth, who I love, adore, not just as a filmmaker, a friend, family, everything. Just our kids playing with each other makes my heart full of love. The fact that Yash and Temur are BFFs in school means the world to me. That Bebo and Seth's children, this is just a legacy friendship which will go on. Seth is exceptional in the film. You will realize this very soon. And what do I say about my child? Literally beaming in gold, looking as gorgeous as ever. I still remember the moment Tarak and I spoke about, you know, casting Janvi in Devara, and for me, I felt like a proud papa when she started performing, and then look at that, my God, matching step with Tarak is no mean task. Like every day, she really gave it her absolute best. And of course, Anil Thirani, Apurva and I are best friends. Anil and I have been hugely close friends from college. So this is like a bunch of buddies that come together, presenting this film. There's so much love in the room, and soon there will be awe when you see the trailer.
So what are we waiting for? So with your kind permission,
Yes. Presenting to you the trailer of Devara. Request, please, and I repeat, please for the fourth time, please do not capture anything, do not post anything. You do know the official time of telecast worldwide is 5:04 p.m. and we cannot have anything out for all kinds of reasons. We do hope you respect the filmmakers' huge amount of planning strategy in going about this the right way. So we really want you to not record any of this. Just watch it, enjoy it. Trust me, it's more than worth it.
thank you, Karan sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that with us.
Firstly, everyone for being here. A little bit tense, like this is my debut film. I hope everyone likes the film as much as we like. Thank you.
Despite being
आगे जाके वो सबसे ऊपर जो
superstar, what do you
निकाला ना
think is
मोबाइल
that
में,
one
एंगल
one
उसको बोलो
quality
ना, इधर से जाओ ना।
that makes this gentleman here, Tarak sir, the
अब वो
man of
नीचे रखो ना
masses, so
मोबाइल, बीच
humble,
में रख के
how
इतना
come
ऊपर
he's so
उठाया।
humble, despite all that
हाँ, जाओ,
stuff,
जाओ,
that
जाओ।
persona.
नीचे से जाना।
Even I'm trying to find our actor.
So directing him yet again after Janta Garaj. Talk to us
कितना
about
उठाया?
that. Could changes I said you have to give us some masala, you have to give us something.
It's because he's a very close friend of mine, and once he's in front of the camera, I feel that I don't know why suddenly he changes his persona, and he looks wild actually. And every time, after every shot, I just keep staring at him.
So after watching Dawoodi, I had a title or a tag for the gorgeous and the very talented Janhvi Kapoor. Of course, I sat on it for quite some time and she had to leave. She had a flight to catch. But of course, the expression queen of the Indian film industry. You brought that out, from Janhvi. And her chemistry with this gentleman, Tarak Bhai here, it is phenomenal. People are saying, Jodiyan Karan sir banate the. Abhi, you've taken it to some other level. What do you have to say, sir?
Yeah, because they look too good on screen. And,
I would like to invite on stage our very favorite people. Of course, as I said, in लोगों ने बड़ा काम किया for the Indian film industry. Apurva Mehta Saab, the CEO Dharma, say give it up for him. And of course, he's presented it, he's distributed it. AA Film say Anil Thirani Saab, ladies and gentlemen. Anil sir, I know, you always say no for this, and I always say that I have a question for you.